Be a long car ride home. Almost as long as that car ride home with those new pop goods you got. Now it's his turn to jump the barrels. We call it bear jumping. It's rarely witnessed in the woods. They hesitate to jump a distance that's greater than their own length. Their depth perception is not that good. And it's also hard for them to find brightly colored barrels out there. Nicely done. Now sit down, take a load off. Go all right, a little more applause. My goodness. Now he got his money. It's time to play a quick game of frisbee. Are you paying attention this time? Here it comes. Oh! Don't worry. He says, look, I caught it. You better try that again. This time, don't look over your shoulder. Pay attention. No, don't look over.